Bluey sprinted onto the sandy beach. Bingo, Coco, Snickers, Honey, Dan, Jack followed. Could it be a hidden treasure? A mysterious pirate ship appeared on the horizon. Bluey shouted, "Look!" Coco gasped. Snickers wagged his tail. Could adventure begin now? Dad peeked from the dunes. "Stay careful." Mom followed quietly. Bluey's tail twitched with excitement. Suddenly, sparkling footprints led them across the sand. Honey whispered, "Should we follow them?" They ran together, jumping over shells, climbing driftwood. Bluey's paws barely touched the ground. Could they reach the ship in time? A hidden door opened in the sand. Bluey's heart raced. She whispered, "Everyone, let's go inside." Inside, a glowing tunnel stretched ahead. Could this really be a secret cave? Shadows danced along the walls. Bluey felt a thrill. Bingo whispered, "This is incredible. Could treasure really be hidden here?" A small glowing crab appeared. Bluey whispered, "Hello." Could this be their guide? The crab led them to sparkling gold coins. The friends twirled in delight. Could happiness feel this magical? Suddenly, glowing footprints led deeper. Bluey gasped. Jack shouted, "What are those?" Could they lead to more treasure? They tiptoed carefully, laughing and discovering secrets. Could the magic last forever? A shadow flickered behind a rock. Bluey froze. Bingo whispered, "Who's there?" Dad and Mom looked anxious. Could danger be near? Bluey stepped forward courageously. A playful sea dragon appeared. Bluey laughed. All friends hugged each other. Could the adventure get even wilder? As the sun set, the beach glowed softly. Bluey whispered, "What an incredible day." Bingo, Coco, Snickers, Honey, Dan, Jack hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this magical pirate adventure." Bluey wagged her tail happily. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you felt the thrill with Bluey and Friends, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.